Welcome to the Tech Security Alert channel, and this is an interesting story about ransomware. So DarkSide Ransom. DarkSide is what actually created all the problems with the colonial pipeline in the United States, but also with other companies that actually has encrypted files of a major German company also. And this is the payments made to actually fix the problems, get the encryption keys so that they can get their files back. When we talk about viruses, we talk about a business. Viruses, malware, ransomware are all there to make money. It's a big business for the hackers out there. And of course, there are hacker groups that unite together. A lot of it comes from Russia, but there are groups scattered around the world. So from the DarkSide ransom payments, look at this. This is from October 2020 up to today, May 2021, the amount of money paid in Bitcoin to these guys. Right now, it totals $90 million when you actually add all of the money that you see here. And this is crazy. This shouldn't be. And the biggest problem with this is often because of lack of security or proper security at these businesses. Also lack of, server updates to make sure that everything is always safe. But also shows in many cases that they pay because they don't have a backup of all the things that have been encrypted, which is crazy when you think about it. Not having a backup of something is really a major issue. So this gives you an idea of how big this business is when you consider that from October 2020 up to May 2021, $90 million for the DarkSide ransom payments. And they're made in Bitcoin because you might think, well, you can track where the money goes. Unfortunately, when it's made in the Bitcoin wallets, that's where it gets lost. And you can't find it again. So that's why Bitcoins have this dark side to them, where you can actually have money going in disappear and not traceable. But that tells you that these guys know what they're doing, and it's for a reason. And that's quick money. $90 million in 6 months? 7 months. Pretty crazy when you think about it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.